Hey. Listen. Click the link in the description to see the price and see reviews from real users. Alright, folks, gather round for the scoop on the Toshiba M925A5A countertop microwave oven. This bad boy is like the superhero of your kitchen, swooping in to save the day when hunger strikes. Let's dive into the pros. Firstly, this microwave is so easy to use, even your dog could figure it out, though I wouldn't recommend letting them. No complicated buttons or confusing menus, just straightforward controls that even your grandma could master. Secondly, its compact size makes it perfect for even the tiniest of kitchens, so you can enjoy hot meals without sacrificing precious counter space. Now, onto the quirks, or cons, if you will. Some users have reported that the door can be a bit finicky, requiring a firm push to ensure it's properly closed. And while its smaller size is a plus for many, those with larger families might find its capacity lacking compared to bulkier models. In conclusion, the Toshiba M925A5A countertop microwave oven is like the trusty sidekick you never knew you needed in your kitchen. Sure, it's got its quirks, but hey, who doesn't? So, if you're in the market for a microwave that's equal parts efficient and entertaining, look no further than the Toshiba M925A5A. Your taste buds will thank you, and your kitchen will be the envy of the neighborhood.